Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this application of trigonometry problem. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 3000 root 3 meter, find the speed of the airplane. What is given in this question? The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point A. Here is point A. On the ground is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. After a flight of 30 seconds, here is 30 seconds up to here, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 3000 root 3 meter. So the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. So this height is given as 3000 root 3 meter. This height also 3000 root 3 meter. B, C, D, E. CD is equal to BE. To find speed of airplane. First, find the distance traveled by airplane in 30 seconds. After that, we will find speed. First, we will take ABE triangle. This is right angle triangle. 60 degree ABE. This height is 3000 root 3 meter. Consider right angle triangle ABE. Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan A is 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite is, this is opposite. Biggest side is hypotenuse. Another side is adjacent. Opposite is 3000 root 3 divided by adjacent is AB. Tan 60 degrees root 3 is equal to 3000 root 3 divided by AB. Cross AB root 3 is equal to 3000 root 3. AB is equal to 3000 root 3 divided by root 3. Cancel this and this. AB is equal to 3000 meter. Next, we will take ACD. We will take the triangle ACD. This height is 3000 root 3 meter. Here is 30 degree. Angle opposite, this is opposite. Another side is adjacent. Biggest side is hypotenuse. Consider triangle ACD. Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan A is tan 30 degree equal to opposite is 3000 root 3. This is BC divided by AC. Divided by AC. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 equal to 3000 root 3 divided by AC. Cross this and this. AC is equal to 3000 root 3 into root 3. AC is equal to 3000 into 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 9000 meter. AC is equal to 9000 meter. We need to find this BC distance. This distance only we need to find. AB value we know, AC value no. So how we will find BC? I will write it here. AC is equal to AB plus BC. AB is 3000, AC is 9000 plus BC. This 3000 bring it to this side. 9000 minus 3000 is 6000 meter equal to BC. This is the answer. This is the distance traveled by airplane in 30 seconds is 6000 meter. What we need to find? Speed of the airplane. What is speed formula? Speed is equal to distance traveled in 30 seconds divided by time. So distance is 6000 meter. Time is given as 30 seconds. So 0, 0 cancel. 1 times, 2 times. So 200. So S is equal to 200 meter per second. This is the answer. I hope you understood this explanation. Like the video. Thanks for watching this video.